Hey my happy curlies, hope you are doing very well. Thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Komal and I make curly hair care videos, fun vlogs and travel vlogs. So today quickly I will show you how I protect my curls while sleeping. As you know, it's very important to preserve your curls for the next day because it's not possible to wash your hair every day. Protect your curls and to sleep carefully with your curls so that you can extend your wash days and you maintain your beautiful curls, right? I will quickly show you how I protect my curls at night. I just need two products while sleeping. That is, first is this scrunchie from Bliss Silk, and second is this hair turban. Curly hair are dry by nature, so there are very high chances of frizziness and dryness next morning if you sleep on a normal cotton pillow. So to avoid those frizziness and to reduce the breakage of your hair and hair fall, it is recommended to sleep on a silk pillowcase or a silk turban. As you can see, I have medium length of hair. I prefer to make half pineapple. I'll show you how I make pineapple. So first, grab your hair and let it come all in front. So you have to make normal ponytail at the top. I usually make half pineapple. That means while doing the second knot, you will not pull out the whole hair. You'll just take half of it and half will be here. So as you can see, I have make one but at the top of my head. So by this I can preserve my ends. Now next what I do is I either sleep like this on my silk pillow. By making this pineapple, my all curls are protected because they will not be rubbed in between my head and my pillow. But I prefer to sleep with my turban as well. So what I do is next, I'll take this turban, put my hair, and then like this. As you can see, the structure of the turban is done in such a way that it comes with a very big space inside it. So even the very long hair with a very good volume can also fit in this turban. I am using the large size and they have different sizes starting from small, medium and large. You can pick any of the size that will be comfortable for you. And the best thing is they do not have any elastic in front. They just have few elastic at the back, which makes it comfortable to wear, and also it will not give you any headache, which usually happens if you wear any turban or a scarf with tie. So you can see the size of the turban as well. If you make a pineapple, it will be very comfortable for you. And also your curls will not be pressed because all your curls are at the top and secure. Regarding this turban and scrunchie, I would like to tell you that it is made up of mulberry silk. So the fabric of this mulberry silk is very smooth and soft. I have been using this Bliss Silk scrunchie and turban from last 6-7 months and I don't have any complaints with this, and I have never ever got any headache or any marks of the elastic of anything. Usually if I wear any other scarf or anything, I have a problem. Usually people complain is that their turban is slip off during the night, but I haven't experienced any of this. It stays as it is. Slightly it comes off this much, and other than that I have never experienced anything. And if you want to order from Bliss Silk, because they have so many patterns, so many designs, if you want to go and buy from Bliss Silk, I will just link down their Instagram ID and their website as well, so that you can check it out, the various designs in their scrunchies, pillowcase, scarves, hairbands, and many more. They have so many designs that you will have trouble in choosing just one. So yes, this was my quick tutorial how I sleep with my curls and preserve my curls for rest of the week. And I follow this each and every day. Doesn't matter if I want to wash my hair next day or not, I always sleep on my silk turban. Hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Bye.